Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do the Billie Jean intro dance moves. Okay, so it's like go like this. Okay. 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 So let's break it down into the full combo, right? Okay. Okay. So you have to with the head you go like this. Okay. And then when the music in, and then you must have to do you have to do the moves like you pop the head in here, and then okay, and then the leg position go like this. You have to put on the force into the right leg here, okay, and then this one is just only the pointing foot like this, pop, and then your bottom here, your butt here, you just go like an S, okay, see, okay, so let's pop, 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 and then when the music ting 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 ting, pop, pop, ting 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 ting, right, and then the trick is to go pop, 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 pop. Okay, so you have to feel the beat. Okay, so you go pop, 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 pop. Okay, so you have to identify the two different drums. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, so pop, 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 pop. Because many people do this wrong, because you go to the pop, 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 and it is not like that. Okay, so the stronger one, pop, this is go like this, pop, 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 right? Okay, so another one is you have to take your shirt like this, and then it has to do with the drum too. Pop, 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 pop. So you see, it's not you do it. It's not the thing that you do it with the music, but every little thing you have to sync with the music. Pop, 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 right? And then you hear the sound, and then after that, and then you kick. So the kick is go like this. You jump backward, okay? Jump backward, and then this one, kick, and then you go kick, and then you like it like here, okay? Stop it in the middle air like this, okay? Okay? So jump it backward, pop, okay? So kick, and then you tap it on the knee, and then you go round, pop. So 1, 2, 3, and then you have the hip, okay, right? Good. Okay, this combo, okay. So then you take your arms back and then go here, okay? Okay. You for beginners, you just take it with the arm on the chest, like on the shoulder like this, and then you turn it round one more. Okay. So break it down. Okay. So we go like this, okay. Kick, go, and again, go. Okay, okay. Kick, pa. Okay, here. Okay. Take your hand like this. The hip go like this. Okay. Then you turn here, and then the head turn left, and then the hip pushes on the left here. Okay. And then go pa. Again, pa. Okay, and then you turn, and then go round, pa. Okay, so that's it. So I really hope that you do it perfectly with this Billie dance move. Okay, so if you have any question, just comment below. Okay, so subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.